In this lecture, I'm going to talk about Python interpreter environment setup and the default idle screen editor. After installation of your Python system, in your C directory or C drive, you should see a Python 3.4, Python 3.5, or Python 2.7, depending on the version of the Python you set up. That's your installation directory for your Python system. And if you want to run the Python, you need to properly change your execution path. So you should come to your Explorer directory view, right-click of your mouse with Shift, and then you will see Open Command window here. You should be able to see this console, and let's type Python. You will get in the Python. And type exit with parentheses, and you will get out. But if you cannot run it, sometimes it's because of the path you haven't set up the right path. So right click on your start menu icon and click on the control panel. So on control panel, you should bring up this view, and then you should click on System and Security, or sometimes System, and you click on System, and you should see Advanced System Setting. Click on Advanced System Setting, and right here you will see under Advanced there is an Environment variable. Click on Environment variable, and then in this System variable you brought down, you should see a path. If you don't have, you should new, and I already have that. I click on this path, click Edit, and right here there should be some Python path by the installer. There should be some Python path being added in here. If not, it should be copying the Python directly over here. So the way to copy it is actually you click on your Windows Explorer, left click, and you will get this, and then right click and copy, and then come to this path. At the end of the path, you should have the semicolon, and right click, paste, and then put a semicolon there. And then click OK. But because I have that, I will remove this. That's the setting for the path. So I don't want to change. I click Cancel because I already set it up. So get out. Now I finished the execution for command line. Now let's click the window view back. The next thing I'm going to discuss is how to find your idle editor. To find your idle editor, I already have a pyidle batch file over here. Let me click it, double click on it, let it execute. This one is a batch file, and this batch file actually execute this python w.exe. That's a Windows version of the Python, and then with this path, C column Python 3.4 /lib/idle lib/idle.py. So let me check here. Under lib, I should see a idle lib. Click. And under here, I should see a idle.py. It's over here. This one is the right idle file I want to execute. But by doing this, it's very tedious. So I write a program, actually it's a batch file, and put that batch file under my Python 3.4. And the way to do it is I just new a text file. And in this text file, I type in this Python w.exe space C colon backslash python 34 and then backslash lib backslash idle lib backslash idle.py, and then I save as, and then under my C drive Python 3.4 where your root directory is, and you should check this old file and put the name of pyidle.bat, because the file already been there, so I don't want to overwrite, but you need to type something like it and set it as an old file format and click save. But I already have it, so I will cancel it. And by doing that, you will create a batch file and you will be able to bring up that batch file to execute the idle editor. So right here, I already bring up that idle editor, and you don't worry about this console. Basically, you can close it and keep this shell view for idle right here. And let me type in A equals 1, return, B equals 2, return, and then C equals A plus B, and return, and then type print C, return. It was calculated A plus B equals C for you and print out C.3. And if you want to put it into a file, click the file and then new file. Right here, type A equals 4, B equals 7, and then C equals A plus B, and then return, print C, print C, and then it's done. And then let me save as for the file. Let me set it on the desktop. So I would like to go to desktop, and then I will put test2.python file and save it. And then I want to run, click run and run module. And on your shelf, that will bring up the Python module execution, and 4 plus 7 equals 11. You will get that result. And you can save this file. Let me close it. And then let me open again. I go to my desktop. And then under my desktop, I should see that test2. Click and open. It's back again. And let me change the value to 10 and 17. And let me save it. And then run module. You get 27 again. So then I can close this and exit to finish the job for today. That's it. Thank you.